Alright, what I have here is a Sony stereo cassette recorder WA-55. I just picked up from Facebook Marketplace. So this is the condition. Still has the original strap. And this side. The back. This side. Well, let me put in the battery and try it out. Well, the seller told me it works great. But I got home and I found out something. The battery cover got a little bit corrosion over here. But anyway, let's try it out. This one takes 4 AA, which is 6 volts. All right. Turn on the radio. Volume is a little bit scratchy. I got a buzzing sound because of my light here. Anyway, let's see the cassette tape. It's not working, so I have to press down like this in order for it to run. Rewind not working. Forward's not working. Well, and it's not that loud for the tape either. So I'm gonna open it up and see what's going on inside. So we need to remove 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 of the front 6 screws to undo to open up this unit. So first I'm going to remove this battery cover, then start at the front. I'll bring it down more this way because I'm going to put back. Two at the bottom. Alright, so just need to pull out the back cover for now. Oh no, need to remove this microphone cover too. I'm going to screw on top here, there, and lift it up and slide out that way. There. I'm going to put this over here. There's a bigger space there. Alright, now just need to pull up the back, going up this way and out. There. Just the back out. Now, to prevent damage to these speakers, service manual saying to disconnect the wire and remove the speaker, put it on the side for the time being. Then to remove the front cover, I have to desolder, of course, desolder the speaker wires and microphone wires so I can separate the front cover from the circuit board unit, because the microphone housing is held up to the front cover with this screw right here. So I'm gonna undo these tape for now. Alright, just in case you're wondering, this is my soldering station. So I'm gonna use it to desolder those wires. And this is my fan. Alright, let's undo those tape. Alright, these two speaker wires right there and microphone wires, one here, one there, and two here. gonna apply some solder flux there to make it easier to desolder. So I got this from Amazon a while back to reflow my laptop main board. Just have some left over. Alright, fan on. For now. Alright, so now I got this microphone wire free from the circuit board. I should be able to pull out the front cover. Oh, also over here, you can desolder these battery terminal, but I'm gonna pop it out like that. And voila. Front cover up too. See how this microphone housing attached to the front cover with this screw. So that's why to desolder the wires to get it out. Put this one here for now. Alright, so one more thing now. I need to separate this main board from the radio board by desoldering these two wires here, and also this black wire, which is soldered to this one here. Tip to remove. Okay, more solder flux. set my soldering station at 400 right now because I had it 350. It was not hot enough. So you need to recalibrate my soldering station. This one's free, this one pull it back out. And unhook this. Done for soldering right now. Better unhook this cable. Right, so I need to push this up. And free it from this tab here and there, and it should be able to move out the circuit board. Alright, try to flip it over that way. Okay, I already replaced the belt on this one. Basically just undo this screw with a flathead driver. Okay, and I'm gonna pull it out anyway. So the problem here is this piece is broken off. Out and pull out this plate, slide to the left and out that way. I'll take out my belt and put it over here. More room on this side. Screw and this flywheel. Alright, now I'm gonna pull out this tape completely. Okay, so now I need to pull out this one. Set it aside for now. Okay, I can pull it out completely. Yep, I guess, yeah. This one comes with a spring. So set this one aside here. Now, in order to remove this one, to. Be careful here. Okay, I can put this one on the side this way. Maybe better for you guys to see from that side. All right. Break some wires over here. So I have to undo this retaining washer here. I'm going to use my flathead screwdriver. Pry it up. Yep. Put over there. And take out this one. Yeah. And let's remove this belt, counter belt. Put it there, that's the counter. Now I need to remove this arm too. Flathead, a special screw, but we can use the flatheads. Okay, that's there. Okay, remove this arm. Now this arm comes with a spring here too, so okay. There's this tweezer. Pull it up, and don't lose that spring. There. Okay, out. Alright, I'm going to pull this one out. Okay. See how this piece is broken right here. So ideally the spring needs to be this way. And this one just sliding out. So alright guys, so it's been roughly 3 weeks now. I have this unit fully open here waiting for my new order coming in. So fortunately I have found a place online that I could order a replacement hook spring. It's alright. Yeah, hook spring, the FR hook spring to fix this unit here. So basically it finally came here from shipways.com, and they 3D printed the exact replacement for my part. So this is the original one, and this is the replacement one. I'm gonna put a link in the description if you guys have a similar unit and you need the replacement, because this unit is commonly known for this rewiring forward not working due to this hook spring piece broken up. Alright, let me put the camera down and open the plastic and put it back together. There are a few prices online for different type of material. I chose this one, which is the cheapest one, so hopefully it will handle, it will work. So So this is the original one. I did glue some piece of plastic on here, but it didn't work well. So that's why I went online, ordered this one. Fortunately, Shapeways is doing it, and yes, they're almost like identical, as you can see. I don't know if it's in focus, but anyway. So I'm gonna try to put it back together and see. So this is the spring. Try to set the spring together, so hopefully it won't break on me. There, one in. There's one in. There you go, just like that. And there's a little sleeve here. This sleeve was on this side. I'm not sure supposed to have two or what, but I saw only one. So I'll put it back only one. There you go. Alright, so I'm gonna put a little grease in here. There. Okay, set it back in. Where was I? I think it was over here. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Huh. The inside hole is a bit small. Really tight. Okay. There's a bit of problem there. Yeah, the inside opening is a bit smaller than the original. How could that be? Alright, after a while of drilling and filing, I finally get this inner diameter bigger to get into this pin. Put some grease back in again. So this one should go in easily now. There you go. It should be moving freely like that. Okay. I'll try to set everything else back in. So, okay. Set this one back. Then Okay. All right, so I have put everything back together. Try to test one more time with a battery. Alrighty. Tip. Let's do with the speakers for now. Rewind, forward, radio. I got on AM. Let's go to FM. Oh, I'm down in the basement. I'm not sure I can pick up any channel down here. Local. No, let's see. Wow, let's go on to the amplifier with a jack, headphone jack. All right. Okay, let's get another tip to do some recording. Testing 1 2 3 1 2 3 testing 1 2 3. First do the radio recording. So this will conclude my repair on this Sony WA-55 FM AM 2-band stereo cassette recorder. Thanks for watching. See you next time. 2, 3, testing. 1, 2, 3. Testing. 1, 2, 3, testing. 1, 2, 3.